So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So from today I'm going to start a new series, that is X-Men movies review. So this is the first part in which I'm going to review X-Men 1, released in 2000, directed by Bryan Singer, distributed by 20th Century Fox. So if I talk about first of all the main basic plot of this movie, then actually this was our first introduction to our X-Men, means our mutants. In this movie we saw that what are actually the mutants, that the human beings are evolving and they are having now new powers. We also get our introduction to the X-Men characters like Professor Charles Xavier, Magneto, Wolverine, Rogue, Cyclops, Tom, Jean Grey like characters. And basically Magneto's ideology is very different and he is very greedy as well. He just wants that only and only mutants should live in the earth, and he wants to destroy the normal humans and make all the people mutants. Whereas Charles Xavier, basically he is a good mutant, and he's also a principal of the mutant school named Charles Manson, where he teaches all the mutants. So basically now what happens, that all the other mutants living in the earth among people like Logan, means Wolverine, and Rogue, who is actually the main heart of this movie, Professor Xavier meets these two, Wolverine and Rogue, and tells them to team up to act against Magneto. And obviously we also got to see Cyclops, Jean Grey and Storm, which were actually the first students of Professor Charles Xavier. So this is the main story, that how the X-Men team will unite and fight against Magneto. So now if I talk about some pros and cons, then first of all if I talk about the pros, then the story is pretty well written. I liked the writing, the way they introduced the mutants, the X-Men to us. And if anyone wants to know the origin story of X-Men, then I think this movie is a quite good movie, and this movie introduces the X-Men characters quite nicely. And also I loved all the actors' performances, like Charles Xavier, Wolverine and Magneto, and also Cyclops as well. Their acting were too good, and on that time I think this was a really good comic book adaptation also. And this movie was a really classic movie. The action scenes were also good, the story was also good, and according to on that time, except Spider-Man, if people talk about any other movies, then that is X-Men only, because during that time it was a really fine movie, and this movie started the age of serious superhero movies. Now if I talk about some cons, then first of all, it's not my problem, but it may be problem to the other viewers. Basically this movie is pretty dark and serious, so you will not get any comedy or jokes that type. And basically it's not my problem, because I liked the tone, because the tone fits the X-Men perfectly. But if you guys want comedy, then sorry, you will not get that much comedy in this movie. Other than that, I didn't like the suits, the black suits of X-Men. I really hate those suits. I don't know why Fox didn't give them comic accurate suit. And also I think they should have focused on all the X-Men characters nicely. Means basically the main characters who were actually focused in this movie were Wolverine and also Rogue, but Cyclops and Jean Grey were sidelined. Especially Cyclops should have been given a much more screen time. He just feels like a side character in all these X-Men movies, and that problem is also there in this movie also. Cyclops is the literal leader of the X-Men. How he could be a side character? So these are my some problems with this movie. Other than that, I think this movie is a quite nice movie, and today also if I get a chance I will definitely rewatch this film. It's a quite good X-Men movie. And now if I talk about the conclusion, the rating, then I am going to give this movie 8 out of 10 stars. According to me, this movie is a classic and nice movie according to that time, but it's not means like the great or best film. I will not say that it's a very good or great film, but it's a definitely nice to watch. So I will recommend this movie to you guys. 8 out of 10 stars from my side. Now guys, we will meet in the next video. Subscribe my channel, like this video and comment down your opinions. Bye.